Hello everyone, my name is Saloni. I study in class 10th B from Gaurav Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir. My topic is the ball poem for assessment of speaking skills. The author of the poet is name is John Berryman. The poet was talking about a boy who has lost his ball. The boy was playing with his ball and the ball skipped from his hand, went into the nearby water body. The poet was seeing the boy's reaction over the situation. He was helplessly looking in the water where his ball had gone. He was trembling and shaken with fear.
The cost of the ball.
One line.
Author of this poem.
John Barry.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhu. I study in class 10th D, Bhaurav Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir. My topic is analytical paragraph. An analytical paragraph is a descriptive writing which is written on the basis of table, graph, pie chart, data, clues, etc. When writing an analytical paragraph, one should remember that the facts in the best manner and to cover the given data. Feature of analytical paragraph: the given data is on the basis of table, clues, data, pie chart, graph, etc. It should be comprehensive and fact based. Analytical paragraph shall be divided into three parts: introduction, body of the paragraph, conclusion.
How many parts it should be divided?
3 parts.
How mathematical parts is written?
Pie chart, graph, clues, data.